Hey gorgeous, Lois here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about another makeup remover. And I'm sure that you've already seen from the title below that pag-uusapan natin ang dalawang products from Garnier again. Today, i-compare natin yung Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I have the blue one here. I-compare natin ito sa Garnier Micellar Oil-Infused Cleansing Water, which is, ito yung pinakabago nila. So, if you have been following me again on my social media accounts or you have been watching my YouTube channel, aware na kayo dapat na mahilig ako mag-review ng mga makeup removers kasi nga mahilig ako ng makeup. And it's very obvious naman from the title ng dalawang product or makeup remover na ito. Ang pinagkaiba nila ay this yellowish one na may white cover is oil-infused. So, sabi nila, according to the reviews, vlogs na aking napanood at nabasa, mas mabilis daw matanggal yung makeup using the one with oil compared to the one that is just water-based. So, let's see kung ano pinagkaiba nila. Sa packaging, pareho lang naman. This one is white, this one is blue. Meron din silang isa pang available na pink one. This one that I have here is for oily, acne-prone skin. And I think the other one is for sensitive skin, which is the pink one. This one is just the same. Removes waterproof makeup, cleanses, nourishes. Yeah, it's just oil-infused. Yun lang yung difference nila. Both of these are 125 ml. Although dito may nakalagay na 60 uses, dito sa kabila wala. So most probably, pareho lang siguro up to 60 uses lang din. But then again, if we are going to talk about the price of this Micellar Oil-Infused Cleansing Water is much expensive than this one. This one cost 149 pesos. And yes, before this cost 149 pesos, pero ngayon mabibili niyo na to sa mga market, supermarkets, Watson's department stores for only 89 pesos. So wala na paligoy-ligoy pa, makikita niyo naman na ubod ng kapal ng makeup ko dahil ako ay nag-photo shoot dito sa bahay. So ayan, pang-IG natin tong face na to. So I have here the cottons, tama ba? Cotton balls. And then, dito sa side na ito, lalagay ko yung oil-infused micellar water. While on the other one, ito yung regular na micellar water lang. And then, sabay ko isa-swipe, titingnan natin kung anong mas maraming nakuha product ng cotton or kung ano yung unang mas matatanggal yung makeup ko sa dalawa. So, ayan ha. Shake natin. Shake, shake, shake. Ay! So, ayan. Okay tayo. Dinamihan ko na rin sa kabila. Actually, paubos na to eh. Ayan. So, ay makikita nyo, naka-full pack ako na makeup, eyeshadow, lipstick, matte lipstick, blush on, highlighter, and everything. So, start muna ako sa eyes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Parang pareho lang naman. Actually, mas una natanggal yung falsies ko dito dahil siguro loose. Kaya na pa to loose. Dito. Pareho lang naman din. Nalagay pa ako ng konti ah. Gusto kong ma-proof na totoo yung sinasabi ng ibang vloggers na mas madaling matanggal ang makeup using the one that is oil-infused. So, one swipe. Wow! In fairness, kita nyo ba yan? Ang daming product na nakuha. Sige, babawi tayo sa kabila. Ayan na. Hindi ako nagsinungaling natin ako naubot. Ang dami na ha. Wala. Guys, kanina, parang medyo confusing kasi mas unang nalaglag yung false eyelashes ko. I think because it's already loose na talaga. Nung una pa lang. Pero, if you're going to take a look dun sa eye makeup ko, parang mas maraming nakuhang product itong side na to. Ay, bongga. Tsaka nga pala, Ito, wait lang ha. Ito parang mabango yung amoy, medyo matamis. Yun ang pagkakaamoy ko. Dito wala eh. Ito mabango-bango. Tsaka, mas smooth yung pagkakapahid ng cotton dito. Kasi nga may oil. Wow. At ang lipstick ko. Teka lang ha. I-zoom in ko na lang kayo. Ay, ayan o. Amazing! Amazing! Wala na. Wala na masyado. Amazing! Sige, close up ko na lang kayo para makita nyo ha. Guys, mas bet ko to. Although mas mahal. Ang gulo ko, no? Mas bet ko na to. Kasi, actually, a little goes a long way. OA lang talaga ako magtanggal ng makeup. Ay, sorry. Nag-burp ako. Bongga. Ang linis na. Tsaka wala na rin naman ito. Pero, in all fairness at with all honesty, mas bet ko ito. Ang bango. Late na yung pagkakamit. Pero ang bango. Pricey siya, pero alam nyo, in fairness, a little goes a long way. Ulit na ako because it's true. So, I think everything is good na. Kaka ang smooth niya sa face. Parang yung ganda. Promise. Ang soft. Unlike dito sa Garnier na blue tsaka yung pink, pag ginamit ko siya, parang wala lang. Pero ito parang, feeling ko, parang pag minasage ko, may oil pa rin nasa face ko. Ang ganda. I love it. I love it so much. So, tingnan natin. Kasi yung Garnier na blue at pink, pasado sa akin. Kinumpare ko rin itong Garnier na blue at pink sa Pond's. Mas pinili ko yung Garnier. This time, Garnier pa rin naman yung pinipili ko. But, I think I'll go with the new one, which is the oil-infused. Especially kapag super kapal na makeup. So, yun lang mga gorgeous. Very quick at short lang ating review today. Yun na, sinabi ko lang sa inyo, pinakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung Garnier Oil-Infused at na-compare natin kung ano yung magalas dalawa. So, this baby right here wins! I hope mga gorgeous that you've enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And of course, hit on the little bell button down below para ma-notify ka every time I have a new video up on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much mga gorgeous for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!